In this video, I will show you how can we create Office 365 E3 trial account. This account will be without credit card. You cannot use any credit card. First, you have to open the office.com. From here, you will select the product, and here you will select for enterprise. And here you will go to the Microsoft 365 plan. From here we will select Office 365. Here I will select Office 365 E3 plan. Try for free. Here you will type the email address. I will type email address umar.khan@7313. So here I will confirm. Type the first name, last name, phone number, company. You can type your company. Mention the size of your company. So I will select 50 to 249. Country, you can select your country. And I understand the Microsoft account. Select and select button, click next, and verify your number by sending a verification code. You will receive a code and enter that code. Eight double 939. This is the username, and this is the domain name that you can change it later. So I will show you in later videos how can you change the domain name. I will enter the password. Click next. It will create Office 365 E3 account for me. Account has been successfully created. So in my later videos I will show you how can we use Office 365